Today, we're going to dive into the secrets of the world's sharpest, longest living minds. And I promise you, this isn't about restriction.
It's about adding some incredibly powerful and delicious foods to your life. Think of it as an aspirational plan for a brilliant brain for the rest of your life. First, I want you to meet someone. His name is Dr. Howard Tucker. He's a neurologist over in Cleveland, Ohio. And this number? Well, that's his age. At 102 years old, he is officially the world's oldest practicing doctor. And I mean, he's still seeing patients. He's still learning something new every single day. Just amazing. So what's his big secret? You know, it's not some miracle supplement or a super complicated routine. It's really all about purpose, moderation, and just staying engaged with life. He actually says retirement is the enemy of longevity. It's a whole philosophy, not just a pill you can take. Now, Dr. Tucker, he isn't some kind of anomaly. He's actually part of this fascinating pattern we're seeing. This number, over 3,000, represents the people who are part of the New England Centenarian Study. This is the largest, most comprehensive study of people living past 100 on the entire planet. And for 30 years, scientists have been studying these incredible people. And you know what they found? It's just astonishing. It's not just that these folks live longer, it's that they live healthier for longer. But what's really wild is this idea of cognitive resilience. I mean, get this. Researchers would look at their brains after they passed away and find them just riddled with the plaques and tangles of Alzheimer's. But here's the kicker. These people showed no symptoms of the disease while they were alive. Their minds were still sharp. So the question is, how is that even possible? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dig into today. We are going to reveal the 3 specific foods that just keep showing up again and again in the diets of centenarians, in Blue Zone research, and in all the latest clinical trials on brain health. And you're going to want to stick with me, because at the end, I'll show you how to combine all of them into one simple, delicious $3 breakfast.
All right, let's get to our first food. I want you to just picture a simple bowl sitting in the morning sun, just filled to the top with these deep, rich, blue-purple blueberries. They're practically glowing. This, my friends, is without a doubt the brain's favorite fruit. So what's the magic here? Well, it all comes down to these amazing compounds called anthocyanins. They're what give blueberries that gorgeous color. But here's the really crucial part. They're one of the very few antioxidants that can actually cross the super-selective blood-brain barrier. It's like they have a special VIP pass to get directly into your brain tissue and start protecting your brain cells right at the source. And the science on this is really solid. Just take a look at these results from multiple trials in one gold standard 6-month study. Every single person who ate blueberries daily improved their processing speed. And that's the foundation for literally all your other cognitive skills. And when you look at a whole bunch of studies, you see that in about 2/3 of them, which is what this first bar shows, blueberries seriously improved memory performance. This isn't just a theory. It's been proven time and again. So how do you put this into practice? It's incredibly simple. Just aim for about a half a cup to 1 cup every single morning. And hey, here's a great tip. Frozen blueberries are just as nutritious as fresh, and they're usually way more affordable. You can throw them in oatmeal, blend them in a smoothie, or just eat them by the handful. For about 50 cents a day, you're giving your brain one of its most powerful defenders. Okay, let's move on to our second food. This time, picture a beautiful fillet of wild salmon, its pink flesh just glistening. Or hey, for a much more humble but just as powerful option, picture an open tin of those little silver sardines packed in olive oil. This stuff is literally the brain's essential building material. Okay, this is so fundamental. Your brain is mostly made of fat, but a specific omega-3 called DHA is the absolute star of the show. Just look at that purple slice. DHA makes up a whopping 40% of the key fats in your brain. This means DHA isn't just good for your brain is literally built from it. It's the main structural component of every single brain cell you have. And the impact of having enough DHA, it's just staggering. This number comes from the famous Framingham Heart Study. It found that the people with the highest blood levels of DHA had a 47% lower risk of developing dementia from any cause. Let that sink in. Nearly half. That is one of the most powerful protective effects ever seen for a single nutrient. So the recommendation is crystal clear. About 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish every week. Think salmon, mackerel, herring, or my personal favorite, budget-friendly powerhouse, sardines. A single tin of sardines costs about $1.50 and gives you everything your brain needs. And if you don't eat fish, a high-quality algae-based supplement is absolutely the next best thing.
And now for our third brain booster. Go ahead, just imagine picking up a walnut. Take a close look at it. What does it look like? A tiny, perfect little brain, right? With its 2 hemispheres and all those little folds. Yeah, that is not a coincidence. That's nature giving us a pretty big hint. So what is it that makes walnuts so special? Well, for one, they're the only common nut that has a significant amount of the plant-based omega-3 called ALA. But on top of that, they're also packed with other amazing compounds like polyphenols, antioxidants, and even melatonin, which helps with sleep. And sleep is critical for clearing all the junk out of your brain every night. And the proof here is just so compelling. The huge Nurses' Health Study, which followed thousands of women for decades, found that those who ate nuts regularly had cognitive function in their later years that was basically equivalent to being 2 years younger. I mean, think about that. A simple food habit literally turned back the cognitive clock. And again, the action step is so simple it's almost silly. Just a small handful, about 1/4 cup each day. It'll cost you maybe 30 cents. You can sprinkle them on a salad, grab them for a snack, or, well, you're about to see how they fit perfectly into our plan. Okay, we've met our 3 hero foods. We've got the blueberries for antioxidant protection, the fatty fish for the building blocks, the walnuts for that unique defensive combo. So let's put it all together. This is where it gets really exciting, because we can take all this wisdom and combine it into one simple, powerful meal. Here it is, the Centenarian Brain Breakfast. It takes 5 minutes to make and costs about $3. You start with a simple bowl of whole oats for that good fiber to support your gut-brain connection. Then you top it with that 1/2 cup of beautiful blueberries. You sprinkle on your handful of brain-shaped walnuts. And for an extra little boost, you pair it with a cup of green tea, which is also fantastic for brain health. And that's the beauty of it. It's so simple. This isn't some complicated, fancy recipe. It's just the most evidence-backed brain protective foods on the entire planet, all together in one bowl. You're getting the wisdom of the world's longest-lived people, confirmed by modern science every single morning.
Now, let's just zoom out for a second. Because as powerful as these foods are, they're really just one piece of a much bigger and, I think, much more beautiful picture of what it means to live a long and vibrant life. We started this journey with Dr. Howard Tucker, so it feels right to end with his wisest prescription of all, and it has nothing to do with specific nutrients. He just says this: be kind, be happy, don't smoke, and don't hate. The diet as a tool, for sure, but the real foundation is a life that's lived with purpose and connection and joy.
So what's really amazing is how consistent the message is across the board. The 102-year-old doctor eats a moderate, balanced diet. The centenarian populations all over the world eat whole, real foods like berries, fish, and nuts. And the latest, most rigorous science confirms this exact pattern is strongly linked to a lower risk of cognitive decline. I mean, it's all pointing in the exact same direction. So I'll just leave you with this one thought. We often think that protecting our health has to be complicated or expensive. But what if it isn't? What if the most important meal for your brain at age 70, 80, 90, and beyond is waiting for you in your kitchen right now? What if it costs $3, takes 5 minutes, and you can start tomorrow morning? Your future self is really, really going to thank you.